This is such an insanely huge train station. Halo, apa kabar? Saya mau beli tiket di sini first class.
Mau di mana kursinya? Yang merah, yang kosong, silakan.
1F.
1F.
Yeah. All right, guys. So here they have so many places to eat here, and they even have the Texas chicken over there. That's so cool, guys. First class. VIP treatment. Oh, these nice chairs. Wow, beautiful. Like how serious the Indonesians take their this transportation. Incredible. I wish America had this. Here they have a coffee and tea here. Hello, apa kabar? Semangat. Siapa namamu?
Nama saya Mutiara.
Mutiara. Senang bertemu dengan Anda. Apa food kamu punya?
This is cassava with salt.
Cassava.
Opak in Indonesia.
Opak.
Yeah.
Bagus.
Cassava, right? And
Nice.
this is pang name.
Oh, nice.
Like a sweet.